Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Diane Ladd. Please let's hear it for Mr. Lorenzo Lamas. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Carol Lawrence. The one and only Mr. Rich Little. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's hear it for Miss Christen. Please welcome Miss Lee Merriweather. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Donnie Most. Please let's hear it for Miss Tracy Nelson. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss McKenzie Phillips. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Doris Roberts. Please let's hear it for Miss Marion Ross. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Frank Sinatra Jr. Charlene Tilton. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dick Van Patten. And ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Adrian Samed. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for us to introduce you to the godparents of this incredible vessel, and it is our truly great honor to have them with us today. They've been such an integral part of the Princess family over the past many, many years. We love them. We are so honored that they are here, and we'd like to introduce them to you at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's hear it for Mr. Gavin McLeod.